Greetings, and welcome to Wisdom Aura, your trusted source for personal growth and self-discovery. And today we're embarking on a profound journey into the world of mindfulness. In this beginner's guide, we'll delve into the extraordinary power of mindfulness, a practice that has the potential to transform your life in ways you never imagined. Whether you're new to mindfulness or looking to deepen your practice, this video is your gateway to understanding, embracing, and harnessing the life-changing potential of mindfulness. Join me as we explore what mindfulness truly is, its remarkable benefits, practical techniques for beginners, and how you can integrate mindfulness into your everyday life. Are you ready to embark on this enlightening journey? Let's dive into the transformative world of mindfulness together. Now let's begin our journey by understanding what mindfulness truly is. At its core, mindfulness is the practice of being fully present in the moment, without judgment or distraction. It's about paying deliberate attention to your thoughts, emotions, and physical sensations as they arise, cultivating awareness and acceptance. Through mindfulness, we aim to break free from the autopilot mode that often governs our lives, allowing us to respond to life's challenges with clarity and composure. Imagine being fully attuned to the sensations of each breath, the sounds of the world around you, and the thoughts that drift through your mind, without attaching judgments or expectations. Mindfulness invites us to embrace each moment as it is, without trying to change it or escape from it. It's not about being free from thoughts or emotions, but about observing them with kindness and without attachment. In essence, mindfulness is a practice of self-discovery, self-awareness, and self-acceptance. Now that we have a foundational understanding of mindfulness, let's explore its incredible benefits in the next segment. Now that we've explored what mindfulness is, let's delve into the incredible benefits it offers. Practicing mindfulness has been scientifically proven to have a profound impact on our mental and emotional well-being. First and foremost, mindfulness is a powerful tool for reducing stress and anxiety. By training your mind to be present in the moment, you can reduce the constant chatter of worries and find a sense of calm. It enhances our emotional regulation, enabling us to respond to life's challenges with composure and resilience. Mindfulness sharpens our focus, creativity, and problem-solving skills. Imagine being able to concentrate fully on your tasks, free from distractions and mental clutter. Moreover, mindfulness fosters a deep sense of inner peace and contentment. It helps us break free from the cycle of dissatisfaction and craving, allowing us to find contentment in the present moment. And that's not all. Mindfulness can lead to better sleep, improved relationships, and a greater overall sense of well-being. By embracing mindfulness, you can cultivate a life filled with peace, clarity, and emotional balance. In the next segment, we'll explore practical techniques for beginners so you can start your mindfulness journey. Now that we've explored the remarkable benefits of mindfulness, let's dive into how you can get started on your mindfulness journey. Begin with simple practices. One of the most accessible ways to start is with mindful breathing. Find a quiet space, sit comfortably, and close your eyes. Pay attention to the sensations of your breath as it moves in and out. When your mind inevitably wanders, because it will, gently bring your focus back to your breath without judgment. You can start with just a few minutes a day, gradually extending your practice as it feels comfortable. As you become more familiar with mindfulness, you can explore other techniques such as body scans, loving-kindness meditation, or mindful walking. The key is consistency. Set aside time daily, even if it's just a few minutes, to nurture your mindfulness practice. Remember, mindfulness is a journey, not a destination. Be patient and compassionate with yourself as you explore this new way of being. In the next segment, we'll explore how to incorporate mindfulness into your everyday life, making it a seamless part of your daily routine. Now that you've dipped your toes into mindfulness, let's explore how to integrate it into your daily life. Mindfulness isn't confined to meditation sessions. It's a way of life that can be woven into your daily routine. One powerful practice is mindful eating. Instead of rushing through meals, take time to savor each bite. Notice the flavors, textures, and sensations as you chew. This simple act can turn a meal into a nourishing experience. During your walks, transform them into mindful journeys. Pay attention to the sensations in your body and the sounds of nature around you. Feel the ground beneath your feet, the breeze on your skin, and the rhythm of your breath. This is the beauty of mindfulness in motion. At work, take short mindfulness breaks. Close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, and bring your awareness to the present moment. By weaving mindfulness into your daily activities, you can experience its benefits throughout the day. Remember, mindfulness isn't about adding extra tasks to your day. It's about infusing awareness into what you're already doing. In the next segment, we'll address common challenges you might encounter on your mindfulness journey and how to overcome them. As you embark on your mindfulness journey, you may encounter some common challenges. Let's address these challenges and explore how to overcome them. One of the most common challenges is a wandering mind. Rest assured, this is entirely normal. When your mind drifts away from the present moment, gently guide your focus back without judgment. Think of it as training a puppy. It may wander, but you lovingly bring it back. Distractions are part of life. Acknowledge them, whether it's external noise or inner thoughts, and return to your practice. Consistency can be challenging, especially in our busy lives. Set a realistic schedule and commit to regular bite-sized sessions. If you miss a session or have a challenging day, be gentle with yourself. Remember, mindfulness is a practice, not perfection. If you find it hard to make time, consider integrating micro moments of mindfulness into your day. Brief pauses of awareness. Lastly, don't expect instant results. Mindfulness is a journey, and progress may be subtle. Trust the process. In the next segment, we'll conclude our beginner's guide to mindfulness, leaving you with some final thoughts and a call to action. As we near the end of our exploration into the power of mindfulness, I'd like to leave you with some final thoughts. Mindfulness is a gift you give to yourself, a path to finding inner peace, clarity, and happiness within. If you found this beginner's guide to mindfulness valuable, please consider sharing it with friends and loved ones who might benefit. And if you're ready to embark on this life-transforming journey, hit that subscribe button and become a part of our growing community here at Wisdom Aura. By subscribing, you'll stay connected with our ongoing exploration of personal growth, self-discovery, and the pursuit of inner radiance. Thank you for joining us on this mindfulness journey. Remember, the power of mindfulness lies in your hands, and the possibilities are endless.